Palmerston Island is a coral atoll in the Cook Islands in the Pacific Ocean, about 500 kilometers northwest of Rarotonga. It was discovered by James Cook in June of 1774. A true atoll, Palmerston Island consists of a number of sandy islets on a continuous ring of coral reef enclosing a lagoon. In 1863, William Marsters, a ship's carpenter and barrel maker, arrived on Palmerston from Manue with 2 Polynesian wives and annexed the island from the British government. He added a 3rd wife and sired a large family of some 23 children, whose descendants now inhabit Palmerston. Thus, Palmerston Island is the only island in the Cook Islands for which English is the native language. By the time his youngest daughter, Titiana Tangi, died in 1973, there were over 1,000 of Marsters' descendants living in Rarotonga and New Zealand. Though only some 50 family members remain on Palmerston, all of Marsters' descendants consider the island their ancestral home. 3 branches of the family remain on Palmerston, each branch being descended from one of William's 3 wives, marriage within a family group being prohibited. The island's council consists of 6 members, the 3 heads of each family and 3 other members appointed by each family. The mayor is Bob Marsters. A recently built telephone station provides the only permanent link to the outside world. The island has no airport or regular air service, but cargo ships visit a few times a year.
Going on the boat? Going down the island. Cyclone comes from here with the wind. We get the wind from here with 120 knots. I had to come up and make a cold drink.
This house lasts all the cyclones.
Really? That's some solid shipwreck look. Does it flood everything with water? Yeah. Wow.
These trees are really old.
They last a long time.
Yes. We have lots of them on the island.
So when Marsters got here, were there any animals, or are these all brought here? Oh, I got soccer nets. That's my favorite sport.
Yeah, that's our daily sport we play here. There'll be school tomorrow.
There comes the head honcho.
Only island in the Cook Island that supply this fish, parrot fish, to the hotels.
Okay.
And that's the only fish they buy in the Cook Islands.
I've seen it on menus.
Yeah. And this is how we do it.
Wow. Perfect cut.
No bones.
Wow, no bones, no skin, fillet.
Wow, that was a perfect cut. Wow.
Clean.
Beautiful.
Take the bones out in the middle here.
Yeah.
And we glad wrap them in glad wrap.
Yeah.
Maybe the packs come maybe 4 halves. Then we freeze, then send.
Wow.
Rotterdam.
Chuck it in.
The best fish in the Cook Islands to eat.
Yeah.
Best fish in Palmerston. You put a tuna, a yellowfin on the table and this parrotfish. People eat this fish better.
We've just seen bluefins. I don't think we've seen yellowfins.
No.
Plenty yellowfin here.
Plenty yellowfin. Come here, fish. Boy, come get this other straight in the freezer. Do you all eat fish?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
When you gutted them out there, did you just cut a slit in the bottom and pull everything out?
Where?
When out in the water there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And everything comes out in one?
Yeah.
It's convenient. master cleaner. What do you think, Jan?
Leave the scales on. Oh no, you don't.
No, it cuts it off.
Yeah. Now we sit in the road. This one is the lunch of the lunch. Take those two in the field. Enough. You want to get in the water, huh? Yeah, go wash them.
Oh yeah.
And come back.
All right.